All right, guys, 7.3, day 3. It's another day of elimination, another step a little bit harder. So take a look at this guy right here. We don't have opposites, and I can't think of any number that we could multiply one of these by so that we could make opposites. So we have a problem. So the problem is we can't make any opposites. We can't make any opposites. At least I don't see how we could. So there is another trick if that happens. Sometimes you have to multiply both equations by something in order to get opposite coefficients. If you multiply them both by each other, make sure one is negative and one is positive, and they will always cancel. Okay, so here's our new trick. If you can't think of any number to multiply one by, then what you do is you multiply them both by each other. And here's what I mean. Let's say you guys want to get the x's alone. Or let's say you want the x's to cancel. See how this one's 10 and this one's 8? You're going to multiply them by each other. So this one's 8 and this one's 10. Okay? So we're going to multiply the entire top by the 8 and the entire bottom by the 10. And as long as one of them has a negative sign, we're good. So if the coefficients have opposite signs already, all good. Okay, so let's see what just happened here. If we multiply the entire top by 8, we get negative 80x plus 24y equals 112, I think. And then on the bottom, if we multiply every single piece by 10, we get 80x plus 70y equals negative 300. Okay, now, do you guys see the opposites then that are going to cancel? If we add going down, negative 80 plus 80 cancels. We did it. 24 plus 70y is 94y. Oh my gosh, what is wrong with me today? 94y. And 112 minus 300 is negative 288. Okay, I'm going to need a calculator here. And then if you guys divide both sides by 94, negative 288 divided by 94 is not nice. So, this should be 188, negative 188 divided by 94. Okay, so y is negative 2. I subtracted wrong. Okay, if y is negative 2, then we take it and we plug it back into any of the originals. I'm going to do the top original before we did anything. And if y is negative 2, I'm going to plug it in for y. Okay, so negative 10x plus 3 times y is negative 2 equals 14. And that's what you guys solve, just like yesterday. So 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. And then if we finish it off, we add 6, we get negative 10x equals 20. So divide by negative 10, divide by negative 10. X is going to be negative 2. And final answer as an xy ordered pair, negative 2, comma, negative 2. Okay, so just a refresher, it's all the same. It's all elimination, except if you can't find a number to multiply, just do them both by the other number, as long as one of them's negative. Okay, I think we need to do one more. So let's do this one. See how this one's 9 and this one's 4? Let's multiply the top by the 4 and the bottom by the 9. Now, here's the problem. None of them are negative. So if they both have the same sign, one of them needs a negative. So your choice. You could put the negative here or here, but one of them needs a negative. Otherwise, they won't be opposite. All right, let's do it. If we multiply the top by negative 4, we get negative 36x, negative 40y equals 68. And on bottom, if we multiply everything by 9, we get 36x plus 63y equals negative 45. And perfect, we did it right because the x's are opposites. Negative 36 plus 36 cancels. Negative 40 plus 63 in the y is 17y. No, it's not. My gosh, what is wrong with me today? 23y it is. And then 68 minus 45 is 23 also. So if we divide by 23, then y ends up being 1. All right, let's plug that puppy in and let's get x. So I'm going to pick the top again. Why not? I'm going to pick the top original. And if y is 1, I'm going to plug 1 into y. So now we're at 9x plus 10 times 1 equals negative 17. And this is very easy to solve. So 10 times 1 is 10. So 9x plus 10 equals negative 17. And then minus 10, minus 10. You get 9x equals negative 27. And then divide by 9, x equals negative 3. And we are good. We got x, we got y. Final answer, negative 3, comma 1. Okay, so if they're the same sign, make sure one of them is negative, and then just multiply by the opposite. All right, give it a try, guys. The homework, I believe, for today, I'm not sure yet, so I'll let you know. Thanks for watching.